Okay guys, after a few requests to make a video on a Chromebook, how to enable developer options, here's the video that comes with a big warning before you do any procedure that we're about to do on this video. I have to tell you that it will delete every single thing on your Chromebook. It will erase this machine completely clean, including your account, your files, your apps, and everything will come back as a brand new machine. So if you're not sure what to do or if you want to do it, just don't. But make sure you have a backup of your files. You have your account written down somewhere that you can log back in before you proceed on this one. It is very simple. It takes a few minutes probably, and it's quite similar with all the Chromebooks, except your Chromebook might have the power button where mine has the lock button. Mine has the power button here on the side. And for this process, you don't really need, it doesn't matter if you're logged in or you're signed in as a guest or any of that. All you have to do is a combination of buttons. Escape button, reload button, and the power button. As I said, yours might be here. Mine is on the side. And let's press them all together. Escape, reload, and power. And let it go. I will come back on and I will show you next step. And next you'll be on this step right here. It will say please insert a recovery USB or stick. Or in some cases, it will say ChromeOS has been damaged. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about that part. What we do right here, it's a combination of another pair of buttons, CTRL and D. As you see me right here, CTRL and D. To turn OS verification off, please press Enter. And we wait for it to rerun again. OS verification is off. After this one, if you regret doing this, you can press space and go back. But as for now, we'll go with CTRL and D again. Wait for it to start. Okay, and right now, it will say your system is transitioning to developer mode. Local data has been cleared. And you will see a countdown right here. It says starting in 30 seconds, so you wait 30 seconds for it to start the procedure. The procedure itself takes a few minutes, so you will see here in a moment. I might either skip or speed up the rest of the process, and keep looking away. Don't look at my missing button here. Things happen in life. Life's not always easy. As you see right now, the timer has started to count down from 5 minutes, so give it 5 minutes to start counting down. It's 4:39, 4:38, and so on. And as you see, the process has finished, and the verification is off. In this case, you click CTRL-D, and it will bring you straight to the initial screen of setting up your ChromeOS laptop. Why is the reason to enable developer mode? Well, the main reason why most people do it is to install third-party APKs that are not available in Google Chrome and other stuff that you want to tinker with, which I have to warn you about that too. There's a lot of bad actors out there that actually you risk to damage your machine beyond repair sometimes with apps that you could install. So just be aware of that. Because right now, you are bypassing the filters that protect you, so you are on your own. But it's something that ChromeOS offers. You can do it. There's nothing illegal about this procedure. It's all legal. I might warn you that it might void warranties, and don't try this procedure if you have a work laptop or school laptop with ChromeOS. I'm going to tell you, do not try it. And in some cases, in my laptop, I know it doesn't require it. But in some other ChromeOS laptops, it will require you to click CTRL and D every time you start. So that's the kind of give out that you're doing, your exchange. And with that said, I hope this video helped you, and I hope you have fun with your Chrome OS, and we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. Bye!
Look at me, I'm